Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Hi everyone. In our previous class, we have discussed about checkpoints. We discussed about what is meant by checkpoint, why we use checkpoints. Then we discussed about the types of checkpoints. Then we have discussed about fragment, bitmap, text checkpoints. Okay. Today we are going to start with actions. Yep. This is the question for new students. By looking into this word action, can anyone guess what it could be? What is meant by action? Any guesses? This is the question for new students. Just give a guess. Okay. Okay. What else? Okay. Yeah, let us discuss now. Action in QTP. Okay. Action in QTP is set of steps for a particular task. Okay. Action contains set of steps for a particular task. For example, when I say login, okay, now login to Gmail. Say if I say login, basically it contains some steps like opening the application, open the flight application, right, and then entering agent name, entering password, click OK button. So these 4 steps forms a task. The task is called as login. Okay. When I say login to the application means which basically contains 4 steps. Opening the application, entering agent name, entering password, clicking on OK button. Okay. These 4 steps forms a login action. Okay. So action means set of steps for a particular task. Okay. Now let me talk about this flight application. We already discussed about flight application, right? So let me talk about 3 scenarios in flight application. Okay. First scenario is booking flight order. Second one is update flight order. third one is delete flight order. Okay, so we know, of course, we already discussed these three scenarios. Okay, so say let me take these three scenarios. When I say booking flight, okay, when I say booking flight, what it generally we have to do? First we have to log in, then we have to book, okay, then we have to log out. Okay, in a higher level, I'm just talking about higher level steps. Okay, so here I can call these are actions. Okay, combination of these actions makes a scenario. Okay, set of steps will be called as an action. Set of actions will be called as a scenario. Okay, so similarly here I can log in, update order, log out, log in, delete order, log out. Okay. However, let me talk about these. As I said, these are the manual scenarios. Okay. Let me write the steps for these scenarios. Okay. Booking flight. The first step is, yeah, here we already have we wrote some steps here. Okay. Okay. Opening the flight application, entering agent name, entering password, click on OK button, then basically here we will enter date of flight, fly from, fly to, and this name. Okay, then we'll enter this ticket. Okay, then we'll select this class, then we'll click on insert order. These are the steps that we have to perform to book a flight. Okay, let me write in higher level. Okay, so enter date of flight, select fly from, fly to. Okay, and I'm then just saying etc. Okay, then enter name and select class. I'm writing in higher level. Okay, in general it should be like stepwise. Okay, then click on insert order button. Okay, then you can once your order is done, you need to log out, right? So close application. So I'm simply saying close application, or you can go to file menu and there is exit. Okay, you can click something like this. Okay, so these are the steps that we have to follow to perform this scenario. Okay, similarly, let me write the steps for this updating flight order. Okay, what's happening? Okay, so for updating flight order also, first these steps will be common, right? Then here, then what I have to do here, if I want to update an order, I have to click on this open button. Okay, then I have to select this checkbox, then I have to enter the order number. Okay, then I have to click on OK button. Okay, so what I have to do, click on open button, select checkbox, enter order number. Okay, then click OK button. Okay, then update the details like name, okay, etc. So here, once your flight order is open, you can update your name, okay, update your, you can number of tickets and this date of flight and all, okay. Once you enter all these things, you have to click on this update order. Okay, I'm simply saying update the details like name, etc. Then click on update order button. Okay, then close application. Okay, now let me talk about this. Yeah, for deleting an order also similar things. Okay, and even for deleting order, we have to click on this. Okay, and we have to select this order number. We have to enter the order number. We have to click OK. Then here you need to click on this delete order. Okay. Once you click this delete order, you will get some kind of this message. Okay. Warning message. You have to say yes. So let me write the steps for this. So open button. These three steps also come here. Then click on delete order. Okay. Then click yes on confirmation box. Okay, confirmation box. Let me call it as a confirmation box. Then for closing the application, just close the application. Okay. Any questions on these manual steps? Of course, I wrote in higher level. Any questions here till this point? Any questions? Great. Now, let me closely look into these things. Okay. As per our definition, okay, I said these are the steps. This open flight application, enter agent name. These 4 steps forms login. Okay. So let me write that one here. So these 4 steps forms login, right? So what I'm saying here. Okay. Can you observe here? So I'm just highlighting these 4 steps as part of login action. Okay. So I can simply call it as a login action. And similarly, these 3 steps comes under, say, book order action. Okay. And this step comes under logout. Okay. So let me highlight with the border. So any questions on this part? On this particular part here? We have to perform same action in all 3 scenarios. Jyoti, if you are the old student, okay, you can just hold on, okay? We will discuss. Yeah, coming to Shivani's question, what do you mean by writing in high level? Yeah, Shivani, in general, this manual test case have to be written in detail. In a single step, I said enter date of flight, select fly from, fly to, right? Basically, it should be in a single line. Separate lines. Date of flight should be in one line. The select fly from should be in another line. Fly to should be in another line. Okay. But I just wrote in higher level. I mean to say this. Okay. I'm not writing in detail. Okay. Generally, test case have to be like that. Is it clear, Shivani? Yeah. Yeah. So here, so we have created like this. Now, similarly, let me create. Yeah. See here. Again, these 4 steps. Forms login. So let me write login here. and these 4 steps are login. Okay, and these steps, this click on open button. Yeah, see here till this point I can say it is a searching functionality. Okay, searching, we are searching for the order, right? Search order, I can say search order. Okay, we are clicking on this open button, we are selecting that checkbox, we are entering order number, and we are clicking OK button. Okay, this is a part of searching order. Okay, then these two comes under update order. Okay, now this is logout. Okay, so I'm just dividing our steps into actions. Okay, now similarly, let me include these 4 steps forms login. Okay, these 3 steps forms search order. These 2 steps forms delete order, and this logout. Okay, now let me give a minute. Let me minimize the font so that we can understand easily. Yep, this is what we have been discussing. Okay, so these 3 are the manual scenarios. So these are the steps. These are steps. Okay, so I'm saying these are the actions. So I'm going to create a QTP script here. Okay, by making use of these 3 actions. Basically, first I will create a QTP script. Under that QTP script, I'm going to create these 3 actions. Okay, let me say QTP underscore book order is my script name here. Okay, say this is my QTP script. Okay, QTP underscore book order is my QTP script. Under this, I will contain these 3. Okay, so similarly, let me give some names for these also. Okay, so let me again reduce a bit font size. Yep. Okay, so till this point, any questions? I just named some QTP scripts with actions. Before we discuss further, any questions here? Okay, yeah, great. Now, if you observe here, I'm saying here this is the QTP script. Okay, here I'm saying I will have login and I will have book order and then I will have logout, right? So similarly, I'm saying I will have one more QTP script. Here I will have login, then I will have search order, then update order, logout. Okay. Now let's take this delete order. So this is one more QTP script. I will have login, okay, search order, delete order, logout. Okay, don't worry. Actually, I just wrote these things, horizontally. Okay, whatever there we have in vertically, I just wrote in horizontal. Now, if you closely observe here, this is the first script that we are going to prepare. Okay, while preparing this script, you will invest some time to prepare your login. Okay, here you will invest some time to prepare your login. Okay, so again, why should we have to require? Why should we again invest time on preparing this login? Because we already have login, right? So we can make use of that login over here, right? Do you agree with that? We already have login. Okay, I can simply use that logic here, right? Again, we should not use redundant code. Okay, similarly, logout. Okay, and if you observe here, search order. Okay, so let me highlight all these things. Just for understanding purpose, I'm just writing here. Okay, it means once you prepare your login script, okay, so once you prepare your login action, you don't need to prepare it again. You need to use it. Okay, once you prepare your login script, okay, you can simply use it. Similarly, search order. Okay, once this action is prepared, okay, next time onwards you don't need to prepare it. Just simply use it. Similar case with logout. Okay, now these type of actions will be called as reusable actions. Okay, you have to mark them as reusable actions. Okay, so reusable actions are login, logout, search order in this example. Okay, and similarly there will be some other thing is called as non-reusable actions.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17 615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.